Spark your child's growth with My First Montessori Busy Book. Perfect for ages 2 to 5. This fun-filled book packs over 95 Velcro-based activities to boost focus, creativity, fine motor skills, and practical reasoning. Watch your little one explore shapes, colors, and numbers to ignite imagination and math skills. Discover the alphabet, meet animal buddies, juicy fruits, and healthy heroes, fostering healthy habits. Zoom into vehicles, share family moments, or learn feelings through play that builds emotional smarts. Crafted with waterproof, tear-resistant materials, this Montessori-inspired book is safe, portable, and perfect for home, travel, or gifting. With My First Montessori Busy Book from Wondersbuy, your child's curiosity and skills soar. Choose Wondersbuy for endless learning and fun.